Alright, it's kind of fun to do these little academic projects now and then. So, I need DNA helix structure. I Google online about DNA helix structure. I find that the pitch, the phase difference should be 138 degrees. There we go. So I make a helix in NX. Then I make another one at 138 degrees, as you can see there. Then I record a macro to Python of me making a line connecting one and the other. I edit that macro and I put a loop around the creation of that line and a simple percentage calculation function. Actually, it's not percentage, it's just a diffraction ratio, so 0 to 1. And I do the stupid crap that you need to do. So count is what we're counting to. Range only gets us there. We need to take one off because we're indexing from 0, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, with that all done, I plug that percentage in to the position, which is somewhere along here. There we are. So that gets us our location. Next, I can simply execute that. Boom. That might be something somewhat familiar. Starting to look like something you've seen before. Yes, indeed. So that pretty much totally works. Fortunately, the Python scripting option is quite expensive. You have to pay for every kind of feature in this software. But if you're going to pay that much money for your CAD software, you might as well pay for the feature that lets you use it programmatically. That's where the real power is. It's sure that it can do all these operands, all these functions that you can get out of the menu. But what you want to do is record a macro of you doing a certain thing that you can then systemify or call in a loop or turn into a procedure that you can call repeatedly and make some sort of fractal. That is, if you want to do this kind of thing. I imagine it must come up all the time. I seem to use it like multiple times a day to do things that would take hours otherwise. Like, how in God's name? I wouldn't even want to think about making that. It's kind of the way. I guess I could do some kind of radial pattern that has a law and then offset it, or law. Yeah, there's maybe ways, but being able to just code out the general case means when there's not a way, there is. Fun. That's Python and Siemens NX together, making double helix DNA structure.